What if you could turn a single idea into a full cinematic visual in seconds? That's exactly what Veer does. This isn't just another AI tool. It's a full creative suite packed with everything from text to image, image to video, style transfer, and background changer, all in one clean platform. So let's dive in to check out this amazing website. First, head over to Vheer.com. I'll leave the link in the description below. Once the website loads, you'll notice a sleek, modern interface that feels clean, minimal, and easy to navigate. Before we start exploring the tools, we need to sign up. Just click Sign Up at the top right. You can either enter your email and create a password, or simply hit Sign Up with Google, which I'll do here. After signing in, you'll land on the main homepage. Right in the middle of the homepage, you'll see a list of the main tools you can use on Veer, including text to image, image to video, Flux Kontext, image to image, AI image describer, and background remover. Let's start with text to image. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a clean workspace where you can enter your prompt, pick your quality model, and choose your preferred aspect ratio. When it comes to quality models, Veer gives you 3 options. Quality model, completely free and offers unlimited generations. It's powered by Veer and perfect for quick, everyday image creation. Pro model, paid, costs 10 credits per image, also powered by Veer, and delivers faster, sharper, and more refined results compared to the free model. Max model, the top-tier option, costing 20 credits per image, powered by Replicate, and designed for professional-grade detail, realism, and speed. You can also tap the light bulb icon inside the prompt box if you're stuck or want quick inspiration to instantly generate random creative ideas. So let's go ahead and try that out. I'll use one of the random prompts and generate an image to see what Veer comes up with. Veer came up with this incredible sci-fi futuristic artwork, and honestly, it looks like something straight out of a professional concept design studio. The lighting, depth, and detail are all on point. Now let's use the random prompt button again and see what Veer generates this time. So let's hit generate, and in just a few moments it created another stunning, high-quality image. Now, I'm going to use the Pro model to generate an image and see how well it performs. Let's hit generate and check out the results. In just a few seconds it generated an amazing, realistic image. The details look crisp, and the overall composition feels polished and professional. Now let's try the Max model and see how it compares. This one costs 20 credits per image, and it's powered by Replicate, so it's built for ultra-realistic, professional-grade results. I'll hit Generate. And in just a few moments, it creates an incredibly detailed image, sharper edges, richer colors, and overall more cinematic quality compared to the Pro model. It's definitely the best choice if you want that high-end, production-level look. After generating an image, you can simply click Download to save it to your device. Now let's move on to the Image to Video generator. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a clean, easy-to-use workspace where you can describe your image and what you want to happen in the video. Right below that, there's a box where you can describe how you want the camera angle or movement to look in your scene. And below that, you can choose your video format and video length, depending on what kind of clip you're trying to create. There's also a prompt generator here, which analyzes your uploaded photo and automatically writes a perfect prompt for you. So I'm going to upload my photo and click the Generate Prompt button. And just like that, Veer gives me a ready-to-use prompt based on the image. You can even use the same feature for the camera angle section, letting the AI craft a detailed camera movement prompt for you automatically. So I'm going to hit Generate, and in just a few moments, the AI creates a smooth, cinematic video based on the image and prompts, complete with dynamic motion and realistic camera movement. Now I'm going to upload a picture of this Chinese temple, then hit the Generate Prompt button. I'll do the same thing for the camera angle, and now I'll hit Generate to see what kind of cinematic video Veer creates from this. Veer created a cinematic masterpiece. The camera movement feels smooth and natural, the lighting matches perfectly, and the overall scene looks like something straight out of a professional film. Now I'm going to upload a photo of a girl walking down the street. Then I'm going to hit the Generate Prompt button so the AI can analyze the image and give me a prompt automatically. And after that, I'm going to hit Generate. And it generated a video that's honestly hard to tell was made by AI. It looks almost identical to the reference image I used used, with smooth motion and realistic detail. Now let's move on to Flux Kontext, which lets you edit photos using AI. All you have to do is describe what you want changed, and Veer turns your imagination into a realistic photo edit. It's like having a professional photo editor built right into your browser. I'm going to upload one of the pictures I generated earlier, then click the auto prompt generation button so it can analyze the image and write the perfect edit prompt for me. And after that, I'm going to select my quality model, and I'll hit generate to let the AI work its magic. And in a few moments, the AI turned the image into a mystical fantasy scene, like something straight out of a dream. Now let's check out the AI Background Changer tool. This one lets you instantly swap out backgrounds with AI, giving your photo a completely new setting in just seconds. You can also choose from a variety of background styles on the right, like indoor, close shot, outdoor, and many more, so you can instantly match the mood or theme you're going for. I'm going to upload an image of a person walking down a street, select a background style, and then hit generate to see how well the AI changes it. And the AI instantly changes the background to a natural-looking, realistic scene that fits perfectly with the subject. Now let's move on to the AI Image Style Transfer tool. This one lets you completely change the look and feel of your images by applying unique artistic styles. So I'm going to upload the image we changed the background of earlier. After uploading, you can pick the style you want your image to be in, like Studio Ghibli, Pixar, pixel art, or even Marvel comic. I'm going to pick the Japanese ukiyo-e style and hit generate. And instantly it creates a stunning, hand-painted style image that looks like it came straight out of an ancient Japanese artwork. Let's talk about the pricing plans. Starting with the monthly plan, Veer gives you a free plan, which is completely free forever. You get access to all Veer products, unlimited generations, and no watermark. No credit card needed. Then there's the premium plan for $9.99 per month, which includes 600 credits every month for the Pro and Max models, faster generation, higher quality results, and no ads. And for creators who need even more power, the advanced plan is $99.99 per month, giving you 1,500 credits, high speed, the highest quality, and full access to all Pro and Max models. Now let's switch over to the yearly plans. The free plan stays the same, still free forever, with unlimited generations. The premium yearly plan comes in at $69.99 a year, offering everything from the monthly plan but at a discounted rate. And finally, the advanced yearly plan is $99.99 a year, which gives you even more credits and the best possible quality, resolution, and speed across all Veer tools. So whether you're testing things out or going all in with professional tools, Veer's got a plan that fits your workflow perfectly. And that wraps up today's video. Veer is easily one of the cleanest and most versatile AI platforms I've tested so far. From text to image, image to video, Flux edits, and more, everything feels fast, creative, and easy to use. If you want to try it out yourself, check out Vheer.com. I'll leave the link down below in the description. And if you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI content. I'll see you guys in the next one.